Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your primary domain on Bluehost. So when you log into your account, you're going to go ahead to the domains here. And now, as you can see, I have external domain, so I don't have that setting. But when you have a primary domain here, you will see the settings to add a new primary domain, but this will require a lot of technical knowledge. So you would have to just contact support. So all you have to do is click on this chat button, or you can also go ahead, click this button. And now when you click on it, as you can see, you can go ahead to the knowledge base where you can find the answer of for you. But basically, you're just gonna click on chat, and you're gonna write to them that you want to change the primary domain, and basically, yeah, support for existing products. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.